So I just finished setting up my Arch Linux Hyperland setup, and I wanted to connect my Lenovo Precision Pen to my monitors, and because the pen thinks that both my monitors have a touchscreen, the tip of my pen is not where it's supposed to be. I didn't find any easy solutions online for this problem, so I hope this video helps if you have the same problem as I have. Now we're going to dive straight into fixing the problem. At first you're going to type in hyperctl monitors to find your monitor that has the touchscreen. For me it's the EDP one, the HDMI one doesn't have a touchscreen. The second step is to find your pen name. For me it's under tablets, Wacom hit pen, this one. And the last step will be to go into a Hyperland conf, go to input, device, there you can find your mouse, and you're going to add your pen name, and you're going to specify where the output is. Then your pen will know which monitor has a touchscreen, which doesn't, and where your pointer should be. If it thinks both monitors have a touchscreen, the pointer will be offset because it thinks the screen is larger than it actually is. So that's it. If you liked this video, like it, comment if you found it interesting, and I'll see you in the next one.